First thing you will do is take the machine off the pallet that it was shipped on. Now we're ready to set up the machine for use. Remove the handle pins so you can move the handle into the upright position. Replace the pins. Always be sure to use both pins when tipping the machine back. Next, we need to install the plates for the diamond tooling. Your machine will ship with either Dialock plates, standard Diamag plates, or the popular Supermag plates. To install the plates, line up the holes with the blocks on the coupler. This will line up the screws for attachment. The plates attach using the included 5mm hex screws. You will need 3 screws for each plate. In this video, the Supermag plates are being attached. Now you're ready to load diamonds onto the plates. Lift the shroud and twist it to lower it into the operating position. The up position is for shipping and transport. Now we will remove the empty propane tank so it can be properly filled. Now we can install the filled tank and secure with the holding strap. Be sure you never leave a propane tank unsecured on your job site, as it is an OSHA violation and carries a serious fine. Connect the hose to the tank. Make sure it is securely connected so that it doesn't leak. Open the valve to fill the fuel line. Now you can move the handle into the operating position. Only one pin is necessary for operating the machine. To start the machine, make sure the emergency stop is in the up position. Turn the key to the on position and wait for the red emissions light to turn green. When the light turns green, the engine is ready to start. Now you can turn the key all the way to start the machine. Use the throttle control to adjust the throttle for operation. After operation has been completed, bring the throttle to the idle position. With the motor running, close the valve on the propane tank. This will drain the fuel line and prevent a vapor lock from occurring on the next start. After a few seconds, the engine will stop. You may then turn the key to the off position and hit the stop button. Your 735P is ready to go.